Get another. Holy shit! Holy shit!
This reminds me of Big Bird.
Oh, Raves, I need to get you a Big Bird copy.
Oh, that'd be perfect.
Somebody save me. Let your warm hands break right through. Somebody save me. I don't care how you do. Just stay. Come on, I'm still.
Oh my god! Big Bird!
Nope.
Where did you get that?
That's under the bed.
Why are you naked?
When am I not naked?
Okay, there it
It's
is.
just like a bag of feathers.
It looks like it.
Oh no. Oh my, what do I look like?
You look like Big Bird. Hey.
Holy shit. Oh my god. What the fuck, dude?
I hit my fucking head.
What? Holy fuck. Oh my god, bro.
Oh my god. It looks like you're having sex. Dude.
Get away from me. Get the fuck away from me.
No, get away from the.
Get away.
Oh my god. Look how tall you are. You're touching the ceiling.
Holy fuck.
Nick, stand next to him.
Got a new friend today.
Oh my god.
God. What the hell?
Okay. I think Formula has a girl in his room.
Dude, this looks so sick. Oh my god.
Holy shit. That's so sick.
Dude, that's so cool.
That is so cool.
God.
Is there like a speed thing on there? Or?
It can go up to 20.
Really?
Yeah.
20 miles an hour.
Dude. What a freak. What the hell?
Dude, that's so cool.
Dude. Jesus.
Pour him. Thanks a little bit. Oh, he got the wallet out of the pocket, guys.
Look, he has a business card.
He's giving away business cards
There
right
he
now.
is.
A young Casey Neistat.
A young Casey Neistat. Over there, ladies and gentlemen.
What?
What?
He's giving out to everyone.
Unbelievable. It goes way
Dude, we're
fast.
gonna be going to Wawa so quick.
Can you give us a shout out? Yeah.
Yeah, like it was where I had it before.
Me screaming at my computer because it's broken. My computer's broken is the title.
We can still get raves. What was that?
What happened?
What the hell are you doing? God damn it, fuck you, bitch! Little piece of shit!
What the heck?
Waves, you tag team? Tag me in.
Yeah, fucking Big Bird, come on. You want some of this?
You say I'm crazy. But you don't know what the fuck you've done, stupid bitch.
Yeah, that's just a temporary one. I'm gonna upgrade it. Oh, I'm random. I can do stupid stuff when Young's not recording. You know what? I have a camera. Go for it. Cool.
I don't know. What are we? Tomorrow maybe? Or later tonight?
Sure.
Deal. Big bitch. Dude, how is he so feathery? Did they kill real birds to make him?
Yeah, grab it.
Yo, help me hold. What's that? Oh shit.
Oh shit.
Freeze, motherfucker! Coming straight from the ground.
He hit his head.
Oh, you could sit on the roof.
Let's push the stupid furnace!
It's a fireplace.
Why did we buy that? Really, like, why did we get that?
Dude, it's gonna be so sick.
Because it was such a good deal.
That's such a stupid...
Can you raise
blow up the car?
Dude, I don't see you helping.
Yeah, Formula.
I put the sound bar in.
No, you did.
The sound. You guys are Team Lift.
Dude!
I didn't have it yet. You just moved.
What the hell, man? Dude,
I didn't have it.
that sounded like it broke.
It didn't break.
Why did you move it?
Dude, shut up.
Do you have to move like that?
What is this?
Yeah, if you're gonna make a scene, I'll make a scene for you.
You're the one.
Exactly.
Dude, if that broke, you guys are gonna return that and get me a new one. Get in here.
Dude, you can also move this thing against it and you can lay like that.
Oh,
Yeah,
you can just
sorry
move the thing against
Sorry
it.
for being the smart guy here.
here.
You dropped it.
No, he dropped it. Because I didn't have it yet.
I still
I
had
wasn't
my
holding
hand.
it.
You're
You
the
were
one that
holding
dropped
it.
You're making a
No,
scene.
having a good time. Ain't
Oh yeah.
I love it. I love it.
Yeah.
Say I'm crazy. You have a fucking die. Holy fucking shit. Fuck. 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 Fuck.
Like, I was curious.
Look at that stop.
It was super slow.
That's the bald cap.
And then I just turned it off.
Hi, kids. I think I have the bird flu. Hey, kids.
If you didn't laugh, that would have been perfect. God, you're too tall. It's hard. It's hard not to laugh. All right.
I started laughing and swallowing at the same time.
All right, you're gonna have to like kneel. You're gonna have to like kneel in front of the green screen for the shot.
Hi, kids.
Okay, getting too much.
I think I have the bird flu. Ooh.
All right, get in front of the green screen.
Fuck you, straight crap.
All All right.
Fuck you, bitch.
Are we going in or not?
No, we're not.
Yeah, we are.
It's $11.
Okay. We had Wendy's this morning, dude.
Exactly.
Why would you want the same thing?
Because I had chicken there.
Yeah, but dude, I don't want that. Gandhi, what are you in the mood for? Or we can do something else. Not steak and shake.
You want
Mountain.
something light,
We
right?
have been here for like.
Let's go to TGI Fridays. Let's go to Chili's. Chili's. There you
No.
go.
Yeah!
Yeah, are you
That's
down?
so expensive.
I'm so down for Chili's.
That's way more expensive.
Let's go to
than
Chili's.
That's good food.
Chili's is dope.
That's more expensive than
Cheddars!
Ooh, I'm down.
No. We just went to Cheddar's.
Yeah, go
honey
to
buns.
Steak and Shake.
Oh, the honey buns. What do we want to eat?
People think Africans have it hard. We can't decide what we want to eat. Oh, so you want this place?
No. Why is it to throw out the key?
Hey, can you hand me my keys? Why are you laughing? Can we eat?
It's a trap.
Hand me my keys.
It's a trap. I don't trust
Hands
you.
in the air. I will not do anything. Hand me my keys. He's actually not coming in.
Alright, that's his problem. We're gonna be in there.
What a good meal. Really?
Shotgun.
Why did you stay in the car? Yeah, Raves, that was pretty stupid. Let's see what the fortune is. I hope it's some blood.
I was thinking, like,
If it's
your
something-
friend is sitting in your car. What are you doing?
You will be hungry again in 1 hour.
No way.
That's what it said. What? Okay, I have a recording. Kiwi!
What? What?
Kiwi!
Wait, so you weren't even... weren't calling my name?
No. Kiwi!
Dude, that's so weird. That sounds like you're calling my name from... It sounds so real.
There he is. You walk into your room, that's the first thing you see. Holy fuck! I would not want to walk in here. I want that bird for Thanksgiving.
Oh man.
Wait.
This thing is huge. Oh, those sunglasses. Oh, yeah. There you go. Get him, my lads.